Hey, what's a happening? So we got a foot to 14 inches of snow on the ground, and my calves are not pleased. They're yelling at me. So I will go show you what we're doing to take care of them since they can't get to the grass. That's what we're doing today on the farm. So what I've done is I've put a bale of hay over here in this corral. We'll go take a look at it here in a little bit. But these calves have been circling and circling and circling. You can see there's a whole group of them way over there. And so what I wanted to do is get in front of them to turn them into the pins here, just so they know that there's some food up here and water, which they're getting from the snow because we can see them eating the snow. Rumor on the street is we're supposed to get a couple more inches tonight, and then it'll slow down. The cattle are perfectly fine. About -20 is when you have to start taking considerations for shelter and whatnot. But you can see here, these cattle are just fine. They're a little argumentative, I guess you could say. Unhappy, as Henry would say, but they're just fine. You got to think they got a leather coat on, so this cold's not really bothering them. So we'll wait for these guys to pass, and I'm going to wait for this next big line to come in, and then I'll go show you what the setup looks like and what we're feeding them. We're just going to go make sure that they come in, that they know that there's hay up here. I'm not sure if that recorded it, but we're going to go get all these stragglers that didn't come in and see if we can push them in a little bit. I'm going to get out and walk them in real quick. So stop right here. See if I can push these guys in. Oh, go ahead, Henry. Go forward. Okay. Let me see if I can get out and start them the other way. Go the other way. Nope, he ain't gonna do it. That's okay. Let's go see these other guys. Wait for me, wait for me. Okay. Go around and go up that way. So we've got these two calves here, and slow down a little. We've got these two calves here that we found, and we're going to try to push them around the circle, go to a lower gear, and see if we can get them in or not. If they don't go in, that's okay. You got to push the forward button. But we don't know if they know that there's food up there, and we want to make sure that they know. Alright, so we're headed into the pins here. I'll show you what our setup is for feeding them. I did close off this gate up here to force them into the corrals where all the hay is. Okay, Henry, that looks...
Now there's 3 of them.
That looks good. Right there, that looks good. Alright, so what we've got here... Oh, let me see if I can get off. Oh. So what we have here is just a square bale feeder with a couple of calves in it. And we drop a bale in it. And they should be able to just come and go as we need. We'll feed them hay until we get this ground to thaw a little bit so they can get back to it. And what we are feeding them is oats. And we'll come over here and check this water. They're looking pretty good. Their body condition is still in pretty good shape here. Yep, they're looking good. Okay, And check this water real quick. Yep, it's looking pretty good. They can get a drink of water, so that's good. So probably not too terribly exciting, but that's how we're handling this snowstorm and how we're keeping our cattle alive and fed. So you all have a great rest of the day and stay warm, I guess. We'll catch you on the next time. Bye.